Have you ever wondered why these festive Christmas treats look so intricate compared to regular cookies? The secret lies not in the recipe, but in the specific tool used to shake them. Unlike standard cookies that are cut with a knife, Spritz cookies get their unique look by being extruded from a specialized cylinder tool known as a cookie press. The name itself comes from the German word spritzen, meaning to squirt, which perfectly describes how the soft, pliable dough is pushed out to form festive shapes. This method allows the dough to hold intricate designs in the oven, creating a texture similar to shortbread, but with added egg for structure. To achieve the perfect consistency that squirts cleanly without sticking, bakers bake these iconic treats for a precise 7 to 9 minutes on an ungreased sheet. Once baked to perfection, you can top the shapes with sanding sugar for a decorative shine that highlights the detailed patterns created by the extrusion. The cookie press transforms simple butter and flour into complex edible art, making these treats a timeless symbol of holiday baking traditions worldwide. Now that you understand the extrusion magic behind them, try filling your own press with dough. What festive shape will you create first? Let us know in the comments.